Okay.
You're not helping me. Been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad, past the time away. Can't you hear the whip? Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Don't you blow your horn, don't you blow, don't you blow, don't you blow your horn, don't you blow, don't you blow, don't you blow your horn. Something's in the kitchen, Medina, something's in the kitchen, I know, something's in the kitchen, Medina, storming on the old bedroom. Fee-fi-filly-o, 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 strumming on the old banjo. Da-dum. Oh.
Do it again.
Now let Papaw rest. Papaw has got to rest.
But you need to do it again.
No, I don't need to do it again right now.
It may go faster.
I need to go faster.
Yeah.
Why don't you go faster?
But you do it.
Are you going to sing?
Yeah.
All right, start singing.
Down.
That's not singing. You ready?
Again.
Okay. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad, past the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Don't you blow your horn, don't you blow, don't you blow, don't you blow your horn, don't you blow, don't you blow, don't you blow your horn. Something in the kitchen with Dinah, something in the kitchen I know, something in the kitchen with Dinah, turn over Joe. Fee-fi-filly-o, fee-fi-filly-o, fee-fi-filly-o. Stop down there, Joe.
Do it again.
No.